Dolav box pallets withstand abuse, as this test illustrates, and they can also be easily repaired if damaged through accident or severe abuse. Dolav box pallets are hard to break and easy to repair. To repair a Dolav box pallet, the following welding tools are required: an electric welding gun, plastic triangular welding rod, a hammer or other means for straightening projecting pieces, a manual or powered deburrer for smoothing the broken edges, a craft knife. The first stage is to locate the break and straighten projecting pieces. In the second stage, we smooth the edges of the break with the deburring tool to a square and clean 90-degree groove. It is then most important to remove all burrs and shavings from the area to be welded. Now for the third stage. Insert the welding rod into the feeding tube in the nozzle of the welding gun. Turn on the power and press the welding rod into the prepared groove using the welding gun nozzle. When the welding rod reaches the correct temperature, it softens and changes color slightly. Then immediately start moving the welding gun along the groove at an angle of 45 degrees. During welding, a very thin line of melted material can be seen along either side of the rod. Apply an even and continuous pressure on the welding rod as it softens. When welding is complete, cut off the unused portion of the welding rod. Welding must be done on both sides of the box, along the break and on the second side of the break, in exactly the same way. Patches may also be welded to the box. The patch need not be of the same color as the box. Position the patch over the area to be covered. Hold the welding gun at an angle of 45 degrees to the patch and weld the patch into place. With a good weld, it is nearly impossible to separate the joined parts.